guys, we're going to do some baked mac and cheese. In it we're going to use 3 different types of cheese. You can use any 3 different type of cheese you have available. I'm using the Daiya brand, and we have here mozzarella, cheddar, and smoked gouda. We're also going to put in it some cauliflower, just to sneak in some hidden vegetables, guys. The kids won't even notice it. We're going to use some milk, butter, and flour. Now we're going to cook the macaroni first. Now the macaroni that I'll be using is the elbow one, guys. You can use any macaroni you prefer to do it. Bring to boil 4 cups of water. We're going to add the macaroni to it and cook it. Add in some salt. Add in our 400 grams of macaroni. Want to cook that until it's tender. While the macaroni is cooking, we're going to do the cauliflower. Now that these are cooked, guys, we're going to just take them out and just rest them aside, alright? For the macaroni, it's fully cooked, so we're going to just give it a little water bath. That's to just stop the cooking process of your macaronis. So you want to give this a water bath. To make our cheese sauce, guys, we're going to go in with some butter. And some flour. Going in with our milk. You can use any nut milk of your choice. Alright, now that this is looking fine, we're going to go in with our cheese. And if is it that it need more milk, you can add it, alright? Want to melt everything down into a nice gooey mix. So you want to melt everything down to look something like this, guys. Very nice and flavorful, right? You can pinch in a little salt in there too, not a problem. We're going to add it now to the macaroni. Add in our cauliflower. That's a nice little mix up. Add in our cheese sauce. This looks so divine, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ensure you're preheating your oven. Ensure all of our macaroni is properly covered with the cheese. Let me taste it to see if it needs any salt before I add it to the pan. Beautiful mac and cheese we have here, guys. Beautiful. Going in with some of the smoked gouda on top. Smoked gouda have a lovely texture, guys, and taste. It melts very nice. If you have cream cheese, like I said, the mac and cheese can be done anyhow. So you just work with what you have, alright? If you're in Jamaica, I will leave where I got this cheese, right? In my description box. A little of the cheddar. And some of our sauce. Lift up the hot pot. Okay guys, we're going to bake this at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright guys, this is it. Final cooling stage. Beautiful side dish we have here. I'm very pleased with the cheese, guys. Beautiful. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.